Simba, Hydrox, and Boo, the Lucky Ferals. I'm giving a shout out to Abril, C.R. Barboni, and Michael C. Thank you all so much for your patronage and your continued support.
You're looking for breakfast? There's Hydrox. Hey. Hi, Hydrox. And there's Simba. Where's Hydrox? Hey, hi, Hydrox. We're going to get his food ready. We'll feed you, Hydrox. Okay, Grandma will get your food ready. Hydrox, I just gave Hydrox his breakfast. And he's eating his breakfast, which I'm very happy about. He's such a nice cat. You're looking out the window, Stella? You're looking out the window this morning? Hi, Stella. I know you're hungry. Hi, Simba. Hi, Boo. You're three ready to eat? I don't know what happened to Splash. I guess this morning he decided he's in hiding again. Simba, you hear Grandpa? You hear Grandpa again, Simba? You hear Grandpa? Sit, Boo. You sit now. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Everybody's sitting for Grandma. Breakfast is ready to be served for the three cats. Simba. Simba. Here. Simba is the fastest eater. And he wants to eat everybody else's food also. Simba, you have your own. What are you eating Mommy's food for? Go eat your own, Simba. Simba, you have your own food over here. Eat your own food. Eat your own food. Thought I'd give everybody an update on my scar. It has gotten a lot better, a lot lighter. I still have to keep sunscreen on it. I can't believe next month, June, it will be 1 year since I had my terrible fall.
It's about 9:30 a.m. and I'm here at the Renaissance Indian Wells Resort in Palm Springs, California. It's actually in Indian Wells, California, but this area is Palm Springs. And this is the self-parking lot, and I'm in the process of packing up to leave today, so I thought I would film a little tour of the resort. The resort is right next to a golf course. This is the Indian Wells Golf Resort. That's what it says on the building over there. I don't know if this is the famous Indian Wells golf course or a different one, but it's a really nice golf course. There's people playing golf every day.
Everybody's sleeping. Stella's resting in her bed. He's so pretty. And Simba is there curled up in her bed. And I think Splash is under here. Splash is under the cover over here. Right, Splash? That's where you're hiding, but I know where you're hiding. And this is Simba. Yeah. Everybody's so tired. They're tired today, right? Everybody tired? Everybody tired.
Right now the weather is a little overcast and it is drizzling slightly. It's almost like the sky is spitting, but these clouds should roll through really quickly. They also have bicycles that you can rent if you want to ride around the property, and I think you could even take these off the property. This is the registration area for the resort. This is basically the front desk, and this is their information about their luxury poolside cabanas. They have different poolside cabanas to choose from. They also offer you fresh cucumber water and pineapple water, and they're both really good and really refreshing. They have a little lounge area where you can relax. And then this is moving into the main foyer area. They have a large centerpiece of freshly cut flowers, which smell really good. And then they have a very large atrium area with a small fountain. And there's a large winding staircase on each side of that round fountain. So this is where all of the business meetings and workshops took place, behind those large wooden doors. So right now we're outside of the pool area, and there are fire pits out here at night. All the fire pits are lit up. There's also outdoor furniture, chairs and couches, and it's really comfy. They have tables outside if you want to eat outside. You can bring a meal out here. And they also have several ping pong tables if you feel like playing a game of table tennis. And they have cornhole if you feel like playing cornhole. I saw quite a lot of people playing this over the past few days. And then this is the pool area. It's a really nice pool area. I love the fact that it has plenty of umbrellas, and the lounge chairs are really comfortable. In the middle, there's like that gazebo, and that's where they serve drinks and food. And there are two different pools. So there's this pool up here, and then in the back there's also another pool, and there's some waterfalls, and it's really nice. It's very, very relaxing. And here is the restaurant and there are plenty of outdoor seats for everyone to enjoy the beautiful weather. And they have ice machines where you can get water and ice to stay cool. There's a few of these around. And this is the Rose Lawn where they served dinner every night, so this is a great place for events. And in that building, that's the Esmeralda Ballroom, so that's more event space. And this is one of the pool cabanas. And this is the little sandy beach that they have for kids to play on sand. And then you could actually just walk right into the water as if you were at the beach. It's really cool. It just kind of gradually goes down into the pool. So it's like a little wading pool area. The other end of the pool is deeper. I think the deepest part of the pool is about 3 feet. And here's another water station. I really like how this resort makes an effort to keep so much water available to their guests. I think that's really great. Here is the other pool that is kind of in back of or to the side of that beach pool that I showed you, and this pool is really nice. It's almost like this is the adult pool and the other pool is the kids pool. This pool over here is very, very relaxing. This is the pool I spent some time in on my first day here. And here's another cabana that you can rent. And here's a hot tub. I did not know about this until last night when someone told me, oh yeah, they have hot tubs here. So this is really cool. And like right now is the perfect time to use the hot tub. Like right now it's about 10 a.m. As you can see, like nobody is in this hot tub. So I think a resort like this is great to visit when there's not a conference going on, because there's probably less people here. So you have better availability of all of the amenities. There's also a waterfall. And then here's another hot tub. And check this out, I did not see this section. So look, you can just like walk into the pool. Like how cool is that? You could take a ramp into the pool, or you could take the steps into the pool. I've never seen a pool like that before. That is so cool. And we're right near the waterfall. So look at these umbrellas. They have solar panels on top of these umbrellas. So when the umbrella is up, you can actually charge your phones all day off of the umbrellas. Like, how cool is that?
Here, Simba, here's your fish. Simba loves his fish. Right, Simba? You love eating your fish. Simba's the only one that likes it. Stella doesn't like it. Splash doesn't like it. And Boo doesn't like the fish. It's dinner time. How are you? Huh? Be nice. Be nice. Hello. Hello, Splash. Hello, Splashy. How are you? Come on. Come on. Let me pet you. Oh, good boy. I am petting Splash. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy, Splash. You let me pet you. Good boy. See? Oh, you're getting better. That's a bit. Oh, okay. I'll pet you too, Stella. Okay, Boo. I'll pet you, Boo, too. I don't know where Simba went to. Simba, where are you? Oh, there you are, Simba. I'll pet you too. Good boy. I can't wait to eat. I'm so glad Splash is here and he's getting much better. Simba decided he's eating on the table. And Splash wants to eat off the table. And Stella has the corner of the table. And Boo is over here. Okay, everybody eat all your food. Eat up. Hi. Hello. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. Where's Splash? Come on. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Where is everybody? Come to the table. I dropped some crunchies on the table, but I don't think you mind. I'll eat them all. Here, Boo. Over here. Over here. Everybody eat their crunchies good. Hello. You laying in your truck, huh? You traveling someplace? I wonder where you're traveling tonight. Where are you going?
Thank you for watching this Lucky Ferals video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you'd like me to post more videos, and please make sure to check out these other videos that were selected especially for you.